Pacers.
Hi.
Today is March 12th, and today Pacie gets to open up 2 little surprises for her birthday countdown. First of all, she wants to show you something. You are ready to show them, Pace?
Yes, look, I made hearts out of my little Tweezy.
Yep, and how many do you have out here already?
36.
Awesome. Alrighty, let's get opening.
How about we get snapping?
Okay.
Okay, I think I want to open this one.
Okay, go.
I need some scissors, please.
Alrighty, no problem. Here you go. Alright. Careful.
Well, we can taste over another Ryan or Kiwi. Who's your baby?
No.
It's a panda.
It's another panda? You jinxed yourself.
Or should I say I re-jinxed myself?
Okay, open her up.
And then he.
Oh, I'm sorry. Open he up. Open them up.
It's not easy. Oh my god, that one almost looks like that one.
Oh yeah, he does match
because-
Ryan in the raincoat.
Yeah. Okay.
Cute.
Can I find him with you?
Yes, here's the map.
Okay, where is he?
There he is.
Oh, so that's why they're so close, because they're matching.
Yep.
Michigan.
No, Maryland.
Oh.
They're in Maryland.
I read it upside down.
Alrighty. That's so cute. All right, open your second one, Pace.
Wait, where are my scissors? I'm gonna open this one on the top over here. So far, we're almost done with this.
Mm-hmm.
It's another Ryan, and he's dressed up as a pilot.
As a pilot. Oh my goodness. Okay, open them up.
Yeah. What does he
I
have?
wonder what he represents.
Well, first, let's take him out of the bag so we can see him up close. Yeah, I got him. Okay, we don't
Show them to your Pacers up close.
Sorry, big guy.
Cute. Show the bottom, his legs and stuff.
Oops.
Awesome.
But I'm gonna show you something, guys.
What?
Before we find him on the map.
Is that his airplane?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Okay, where is
I think I found him.
Yeah.
Is that him? North Carolina?
North Carolina.
Here, let me see.
North Carolina. Don't get this wrong again.
Yeah, North Carolina. So cute.
North Carolina. Uh-huh.
Is there anything that you want to tell your Pacers before it's time to go?
I want to count how many. So 36 plus 2 equals 38.
Awesome.
We have
Good
30.
job.
We have 38 people now. We have 38 people now. Can you believe that?
Alrighty, friends.
Thank you everyone watching my video. Bye bye. Just subscribe. Click the bell, please. I hope you can love this. Give me lots and lots of hearts.